How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can export SVGs from Fusion 360 for laser cutting. Now, unfortunately, there isn't an exact way on how you can do this on the vanilla application itself, but what we can do is to install an addition extension. So you just want to head over to this specific website. It's going to be called Sharper Utilities, and then you want to simply click on your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows 64, and then let's click on download. When installing the application or the extension, just simply click on it, click on the install now option, and then of course, if you're doing this, you have to restart your Autodesk. So exit out of Autodesk and then just open it up after making sure that you have installed the extension properly. And after opening it back up, you then want to navigate through utilities, and then you can see now the export to origin option. As you can see, export the selected bodies or sketches to an SVG file that can be used by Shaper Origin. So we're only going to use this tool as an export for our SVG file. Simply click on it, and then you have the ability to click on the advanced option. But in my case, I'm just going to navigate through the basic one. Right after, let's go ahead and export this exact frame right here, or this exact shape. Of course, you could select multiple ones if you want to, but generally, I'm just going to export this one. Click on OK, click on OK once more, and then basically from there, you will be able to export your model the way you want to. So that's how easy it is to simply export your model. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.